ek my neef, niggie, so groot raak tussen die beeste en die goed. Was eintlik vir my baie lekkerder op die plaas as wat dit toe ons dorp toe gekom het. Easily I could have been to jail or anything, but never. Hier sou ek. Ek weet waarna toe beweeg.
I met Johan, I think it was in 2007. One of the schools in the rural areas asked me to coach them, and Johan was part of the kids going to that school. But I quickly saw that he can think on his feet, and then our relationship just grew from there, and then eventually he started working on the farm.
Ons is maar soos 'n klein familie daar. Ons het 'n goeie werksverhouding.
And he's now, I think he was last year voted as the top farm manager in the Western Cape. We wanted to do this very project. It's expensive to start, first of all. That's why we contacted the IDC. We know they've got good structures. They know how to set these things up and help us with creating like the Workers' Trust and how to run it.
The IDC is what we call the Development Finance Institution. We do also have a mandate to promote regional development and integration. So the risk capital facility was established to provide risk capital to deserving projects. It was about supporting businesses or projects within the SME sector. Secondly, it was about supporting historically disadvantaged persons in the economy. And then thirdly, it was about job creation.
5 jaar terug het die Workers' Trust begin. Ons vat nog klein strijd, maar ons beweeg na 'n punt toe.
People who are very close in these projects are the workers, and they needed to be supported. It wasn't just about getting employment and getting a salary. Here we're talking about getting those people to have economic interest as well.
The Workers' Trust own a certain percentage of the farm. Once the farm starts showing profits, that amount of percentage of profits will go back to them.
If you're going to take a person whose job would have been to pick berries in a farm, to develop that person to somebody who actually knows there's something called annual financial statements, that does have quite a bit to do with the dignity that we actually provide to quite a number of these participants.
Ek weet wat daar aangaan. Ek weet die finansies lyk so, die finansies lyk so. My beeld met ek die ander mense wat 'n bietjie twyfel in die proses, net 'n bietjie up to date ben. 3 keer in 'n half jaar en dan gaan ons 'n bietjie oor serieus goed praat. Oor waar staan ons met die Workers' Trust? Hoeveel het die Workers' Trust?
We need institutions that are there and addressing that historic failure. We are building it for generations to come.
Ek het hierdie basic skills wat 'n gewone geleerde ou het. Maar wat ek wel het is ek het die Workers' Trust. Is my key to a better more.
It's not necessarily the money that we throw at people, but it's about the doors and the opportunities that get opened up.
Ja. Pad om die pad te vat. As jy dit wil doen, dan moet jy dit doen. As jy bo wil uitkom, dan moet jy dit doen. Tien jaar van nou af. My eie huis aan daai kant van die dorp. My eie kar. Elke dag werk toe gaan, dan vir iemand anders dieselfde droom gee wat ek vandag het.